Are you looking for the best lead tool that you can find? Leads are lifeblood of a business. Let's face it, without leads, no business. But you need the best one and the best bang for your buck so your business takes off. So, is it, let's see, Botster or Lead Sniper? Let's find out.
Google Map Scraper versus Lead Sniper. So is it which scraper comes out on top and scrapes the most? And I want my scraping to be good. I like my scraping like I like my dentistry. I want to scrape all the leads, and I want to make sure that we're scraping everything that we need. So this is nice. You can create a free account on Botster, choose a bot, start the bot, download for your results. And as we can see right here, they have a start. They do explain it, so that's nice. They have a YouTube video. Extracted data, and it walks you through the software. You name your job, your Google Maps, you set email notifications, data format. Awesome. So this is actually pretty simple, and you create a free account, but there is pricing, so you actually have to pay in credits by credits. So you actually start for free. Wow, get some free credits, 5 credits per day, but problem is eventually you got to start throwing some cash down. So where does it go? You can pay as you go as well, but that's still paying, and then it starts $25 per month and then $49 per month. That's actually not too bad, but the best thing is I just want to pay one time. What do you mean? So with Lead Sniper, I can start a free trial, so I can trial this out, then just pay $150 one time, no monthly, no subscription, none of that, and I can get leads for life. So I don't think you can beat that. 17 million plus places, 200 million plus emails, 800,000 reviews. So I'd say this is on top. You get the setup extension, unlock Lead Sniper, lead generation, local SEO, all that. Google Map Scraper with 60 plus locations. Plus, we get the starter of 149, 267, and the best value at 389. So guys, I'm gonna check this out. Awesome reviews here. People are liking it. They got good FAQs, and I don't want to get stuck with a subscription. So let's go. Let's demo it. All right, I am looking at landscaping in Kansas. Let's go. All right, everyone. So taking a look at Kansas, we can see landscaping here. All the companies in Hamilton, Kansas, Agenda, Admire, Kansas, Aldane, Abbeville, Gypsum, and we're just going to download them as an XLS, put them right here, and we got our spreadsheets. Just put them in Google, and we can open them up. Let's see what we got for companies in Gypsum. We can see everything here for Kansas. All the leads look really, really good. Scrolling back through, you can also see the emails here. Scroll up and down. Really, really impressed by this. Yeah, this looks excellent. I've got all the locations, emails, phone numbers, everything I need to start getting a hold of these leads. So I guess I'll be doing some landscape hunting in Kansas.
Botster versus Lead Sniper. We can see who wins. It is clearly Lead Sniper. You can try a free trial now, then boom, $150 and get leads for life. Can't get any better than that.